Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unclog your toilet using nothing more than dish soap and hot water. This is a remedy I've been using for many years. You don't even need a plunger 95% of the time. This is actually my third video on the topic. My other two videos have helped millions of people, but I get people commenting from time to time with some questions that I thought, I'll make an updated video and answer those questions. So if you have a clog and it's due to either toilet paper or waste or feces or a combination of both, all you're going to want to do is get some regular dishwashing soap and pour in probably maybe third cup to a half a cup. This stuff can be bought at a dollar store for $1, really cheap. Pour it in there and then just let it sit for 45 minutes, but ideally the longer the better. So maybe even up to an hour and a half. So about 90% of the time, you can just pour the dish soap in and it'll clear the clog within 45 minutes to an hour and a half. You can just be going about your day and you'll hear the toilet flush. That's because the dish soap dissolves fat, which is what pretty much feces or waste is, and also dissolves toilet paper. It also lubricates up everything. And like I said, a lot of the times it'll just clear the clog. From comments that people have left on my other videos, they don't even have to proceed to step number 2. But in case after about an hour and a half it doesn't clear on its own, proceed to step 2. Okay, so step 2, if you need to proceed to it, is to just take a bowl of hot water from your tap. You don't want to use boiling water because boiling water could potentially crack your toilet and you don't want that. So just get some really hot tap water out of your faucet, put it in a bowl, and slowly add it into the toilet. A lot of the times, again, you'll see it just flush and clear on its own this way. After that, I would just let it sit for about another minute and a half, and then go ahead and give it a flush. See if it's clogged or cleared. Now, the other question I get asked a lot on my other videos is, can you use this remedy on, bathroom sinks? And I've never personally tried it, but I wouldn't think it would work because most of the time clogs on bathroom sinks are caused by shaved clippings from men's beards or things like that. And dish soap does not dissolve hair like it does toilet paper and waste or feces. So I wouldn't advise using this method on a bathroom sink, but maybe that'll be a video for the future on my channel. So anyways, hope you found this third revision on how to clear your toilet or unclog it using nothing more than dish soap and hot water. If you did, please hit that like button and we'll see you in the next video.